friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And we have a $60 basket we're going to be talking about. Stuff on clearance, magic, small deals, more magic. It is a Super Sunday and Super Week over at Walgreens from the week of the 10th to the 16th. If you guys could do me a huge solid and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Really helps out the channel and the video. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. And subscribe too if you haven't for more magic. How many times can I say magic in this video? Okay, so at the very end of the video, I am going to stack the spend 60 to earn back 12 along with a paper 5 back when you spend 20 to earn $17 on a $60 basket. So the top one comes out of the Catalina machine. Your miles may vary. And the bottom one, certain accounts get it. So hopefully you get the same one as I. In case you missed it, yesterday afternoonish, I put another video out where I found 100 more penny items at the Dollar General. There's this like penny clear out right now, and there are so many items that most staffers they're not removing this stuff off the floor because the list is vast, like hundreds and hundreds of items. At the very end, I kind of jogged through what I found, where I found it in the store, and like stuff like blankets and leggings. And check it out if you are interested in penny shopping. And 100 items, I paid $1. So that is pretty cool. Linked at the very end of the video. So a lot of skincare at select Walgreens went 90%. I know here in Michigan and say Texas, we're on the same schedule, but say you're in Maine, it might be next Tuesday. It's usually Tuesdays or Saturdays these orange stickers start showing up, and it is that section that's been like 70-ish% for the longest time. I didn't really get a lot of this stuff because you know what? I was at the Dollar General yesterday, so I missed it. So a lot of these, I just photographed the tag and I'm showing you the visual next to it, so hopefully that helps you guys out. Don't be shy that if you see the stuff not tagged properly, to grab a couple items, go to the front of the store, be super sweet and say, hey, could I get a price check? Or ask an employee there on the floor if they have a Zebra, which is the handheld scanner. 38 cents for this? Like, yes. So it's a lot of Burt's Bees, skincare, lots of the Walgreens brand items. They're clearing it out really cheap. A lot of the CeraVe as well. So cheap. So if you can line up, track down some of this stuff, however you want to say it, I would definitely walk down that skincare aisle because 90%, like get your shoes on because this is fantastic. You can use Walgreens cash, register rewards to pay it down. I would go and make this happen. You know that aisle with the $1.25 food? It used to be $1. A lot of the food is like 63 cents now, which is an odd price. So spaghetti sauce, macaroni, rice, if you want to stock up, definitely walk down that aisle. Perhaps these stickers have appeared, but these are items that I found in that aisle. And I know a lot of us are trying to stock up on food right now, so this would be super smart. Another store when I was running around doing Dollar General, I just walked in and I looked around a little bit in the clearance section. These were 29 cents and they were not even marked, but they were in the clearance section. So I had an idea like, yeah, it's probably on clearance. And it is the Renews-It raspberry cones. And then this, which is a paper applicator for Tampax, 40 counter, really old box. I went to the front and asked for a price check and it was $1. So, of course, I bought it. I was surprised, like $1, not even marked, but just asking for a price check. Sometimes that's a really smart thing to do. Without further ado, let's get into this week's deals, but definitely look for clearance, guys. The first deal we're going to talk about is the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends at $3.99, $3 register reward when you purchase 2. Now, both on the Whole Blends and the Fructis, we got a 3 off 2 digital coupon. If you want to do both, you have to buy the Whole Blends and the Fructis 2 separate transactions, as the register reward will only print once per transaction. Grabbing 2 of the Fructis for $7.98, subtracting that big digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. For all the new shoppers, what is a booster? These are your boosters. Top is a paper, bottom is a digital. These are the boosters we're talking about. You're doing a deal without this? Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And all of the deals presented involve these, which are register rewards, which you have to do in store. These are not curbside offers as well. These are register rewards. The next deal we're looking at is the $6 Tresemme shampoo, $5 register reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of the cheap ones at $6, load this friend, which is a 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme. Really easy, straightforward deal. 2 of these shampoos for $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're going to look at the shampoo deal. Buy one, get one 50% off, $10 register reward when you purchase 4. We currently have a 4 off 4 digital coupon. So if you have this loaded, hair care is in fact included. Grabbing 4 of the Dove hair care, that would be $19.47. Subtracting that 4 off 4, you're going to pay $15.47. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $5.47 for the 4 or $1.36 per. Again, if you're doing this deal with no register rewards, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Pay it to earn your register reward. These 2 deals, I believe, are the best toothpaste deals of the week. For $3.50, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. I can't get a screenshot of it, guys. I can't find it in my digital coupons folder, but here's the deal. Grabbing 3 of these for $10.50, the Crest, or you can grab the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3.50 a pop, and that would be $10.50, grabbing 3 of them. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that $5 register reward. Hello toothpaste. This is an offer that we don't ever really get a ton of deals on. So if you can line up this deal, I would totally try and make it happen because it is absolutely fantastic. $5 reward when you purchase 2. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure it's the one that is attaching to Hello. Don't load that dollar coupon, only load the higher value one. You don't want the smaller one coming off. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents for one of these Hello toothpastes that are usually like $6 or $7 for 1 unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Next super deal, I think, is the Angel Soft this week that are 2 for $8. Typically, this toilet paper is usually 2 for $9, so it's $1 of savings. We have $1.50 off of 3, so you're going to grab 3 of these. I think it's a very good toilet paper as well, one of our favorites in our household. 3 of these will be $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10.50. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.50 for the 3 or $2.50 per 6-pack. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another great deal is with the Gillette and Venus disposable razors that are buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to have to grab this more expensive one and then a cheaper Venus. We have $3 digitals attaching to both. Again, apologies, guys. I thought I had a screen capture of both the coupons. It disappeared. 2 of these will be $16.23. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you'll pay $10.23. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5.23 for the 2 or $2.61 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. A favorite and a huge, like a really big register reward this week is on the OLAY, $8 when you buy 3, and they're $7 a pop. We have this 5 off 3 digital coupon. So for a $60 basket, this certainly would bulk up your basket. So grabbing 3 of these for $21, subtracting that 5 off 3, you'll pay $16. Get back an $8 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, and now we're just going to jog through this deal. See how it says $2 register reward when you purchase 4? It's Febreze, Tide, Mr. Clean, Swiffer, Dawn. Make sure that the items that you're grabbing have that sticker next to it. So grabbing 1 Tide Pod, Tide Liquid, you're going to load these 2. And then we're also going to grab a couple other odds and ends with higher value coupons, such as this Febreze car. And then it has a $3 off coupon. one of these Dawn Power Washes. Again, you can see that it's on the promotion because it's tagged, and that is a month-long promotion too. Aug 30 is the end date, and we have a $2 digital for this little friend. So this is just a basic deal if you wanted to stock up on these meat and potato products. Two cheaper ones and two more expensive ones would be $21.96, subtracting Tide, Tide Pod, Tide Liquid, $3 for the Febreze double pack, and then a $2 for the Power Wash. That's $7 in digitals coming off. You'll pay $14.96, get back a $2 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per. Doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $2 register reward. Okay, the final deal we're looking at is this, which is a $60 basket. For the bottom one, make sure that you press that button for the clipping to make sure it's on your account. So we have a 12 back when you spend 60 paired with a 5 back when you spend 20. That's $17 back on this basket. And yes, they do stack. So a very basic deal that I have cooked up for you is 3 Olay body washes for $21, 3 Angel Soft toilet papers for $12, a Gillette and Venus disposable razor for $16.23, and then 2 Tresemes for $12. The total for your basket is $61.23. At this point, you get the cashier to scan your paper booster and have your digital booster loaded. $17.50 in digital coupons are melting off. You have $1.50 for the Angel Soft, $5 for Olay, $6 for Gillette, a $3 for each of the razors, and a 5 off 2 for the Tresemme. With your debit card, you're paying $43.73, getting back $17 in Walgreens cash, $21 in register rewards, 3 for Angel Soft, 8 for Olay, 5 for Gillette, and 5 for Tresemme, making it $5.73 for the 10 items or 57 cents per item. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. If you have register rewards from last week for Colgate or whatever, yes, you can throw those in. Please make sure that your cashier scans every single item so you'll have extra lines so every register reward and digital coupon will apply. Hopefully that's crystal clear. Dollar General video linked right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.